Hello everyone, lentil cake, yellow lentil cake, gluten free. It can be bread, it can be cake. It's fantastic bread, gluten free and so delicious. You can make it with yellow lentil or any kind of lentil. All the steps you will find in this video. Follow till the end. Lentil cake or lentil bread, gluten free with poppy seed and sesame. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmad Younes. This kind of art in my channel, I will do everything you ask for. Learning how to make French pastry, cake, chocolatier, chocolate ornament, French dessert, even sugar and bread. Let's start. 2 cups of yellow lentil. You watch this lentil, which color now and what we have tomorrow. All we do, we soak 2 cups of lentil, almost 310 grams, in 3 times of water, like 1 liter of water.
بيحصلها بعض المشاكل. انا جربت جميع الانواع. العدس هنعمل منه خبز.
So all you need just to soak it, because a lot of chefs they cannot find the gluten-free bread or gluten-free flour, and they have so many order, and this is the most easy way to make gluten-free bread or cake, even dessert, with very tasty and so easy. You can find everywhere in the all shops in the whole house. Lentil is so cheap and very tasty as dessert. Some of chefs ask me, they have problem with all-purpose flour, gluten-free, and some they complain when they have gluten-free kind of bread or cakes and they not feel well. So lentil is 100% safe, 100% full of protein, give you energy, and same times you feel the taste of bread. After 14 hours, actually, we strain. You can keep it overnight. I keep it like 8 p.m. and I use it second day 10 p.m. Make sure you strain all water, and that's it. You have your kitchen process or RoboCup or big blender. Just start to mix it to make it smooth. Like 1 minute. After that you can stop. And then you added the ingredients. First, 70 gram, not milli, 70 gram olive oil. And then I added 5 normal eggs, medium eggs. And then 20 gram baking powder. And 8 gram salt. Just to close the kitchen process. 1 cup of yogurt. 1 cup of plain yogurt, which is give a very tasty taste to the cake. You can see. I just leave it like 2 minutes. You must have good brand kitchen process, because if you don't have good brand, it will burn. You keep blend it 3 minutes until it becomes very soft, very smooth. And that's it. Your appareil for the cake or bread is ready. You can pour the container in rectangular like English cake, or you can keep it in round cake. So it's up to you. Both will give you the same result. You know, things can happen. I added black seed or Nagila sativa. This is very famous in Middle East. But you can add it poppy seed, you can add Nagila sativa, sesame, shea chia seed, whatever you want to make it as topping. But for me, I love the topping to be inside the cake. That's why I stir it and I wait 10 minutes until the oven be really hot. It's 175 centigrade or Celsius. It takes almost 25 minutes and you have the most amazing gluten-free lentil cake or lentil bread. Really tasty. You can feel the aroma from here. Thank you for watching me. Please leave the comment below if you need any kind of gluten cake or gluten-free dessert, even French pastry. As my father always say, don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmad Younes. Bye bye.